Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a smooth slow motion video in Capcut, and here's how it is done. For this demonstration, I will be working with a project featuring a fireworks display. To start, add your video to the timeline, then click on it to select it. Next, in the top right menu, choose the speed option. You will see two choices. Adjust the overall speed or use the curve to create smooth transitions. To get a smooth slow motion effect, select the curve option. There are various templates available, so you can pick one that suits your needs. For instance, you can use a template to transition from high speed to normal speed. Adjust the curve to customize the speed changes. For example, you can modify the curve so that the slow motion starts gradually and then transitions back to normal speed smoothly. If you prefer more customization, you can click to adjust the speed manually and create the effect you want. You can slow it down, speed it up, and then return to normal speed as needed. And that is everything you need to know about how to make a smooth slow motion video in CapCut. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.